Hello everyone, my name is Lewis Foster and I'm the Whole School Assistant Head at ISPH in Hanoi with the responsibility to fill in support, English acquisition and safeguarding. We're very much looking forward to welcoming you to the OIS conference in Hanoi in March. My workshop, Building Inclusive Systems for EAL Learners, shares our 3-year journey of transforming EAL provision at ISPH, moving from reactive support to proactive preparation, and how this has accelerated progress and achievement for EAL learners across the school. The session is built around one key idea. Students' first day in the classroom is the final step in a much wider inclusion process. Through an EAL lens, we will explore how pedagogy and systems must align strategically, operationally and in day-to-day classroom practice to ensure coherence across subjects. Look at what needs to be in place before arrival so students feel a strong sense of belonging and can access learning confidently from day one, and what must happen from that point onwards to ensure they continue to progress and achieve their potential. This workshop is designed for classroom teachers, middle leaders, inclusion teams and senior leaders, particularly in schools with a high proportion of EAL learners or those experiencing a new or growing influx. You'll leave with 2 clear takeaways: practical frontline strategies for early integration and the leadership systems that make EAL inclusion consistent, including pre-admission planning, purposeful information sharing and whole school accountability. This links directly to leadership for growth, as we are building structures that enable sustainable progress for both learners and staff. I look forward to seeing you at OIS 2026.